All right, Ken, when it comes to guardrails, what can tie down offer that is unique to the industry?
What can tie down offer? Quite a bit, Alexandra. I'll tell you, a contractor came to us a few years ago and asked us to develop something where their guys wouldn't get hurt. One of the leading causes of workers missing time in construction is soft tissue injuries, and that's usually the back, right?
Right.
So the lightest guardrail base in the market at the time was 85 pounds, but most were 95 pounds, 110 pounds, sometimes 120 pounds. Now that's over a 75-pound OSHA requirement where the contractor has to have a written plan on how they're going to handle this. It's over 75 pounds. And usually that written plan says two guys have to carry it, right? Or you have to have a dolly and then two guys have to lift it at the same time. But if you've ever been on a construction site, two people don't lift it at the same time. One guy picks it up and he hurts himself, right? So that was the problem that we were trying to solve. So our engineers got together and they developed the Gator Base. Now the Gator Base is special, and I'll tell you why. If you look at it, if you come over here and shoot it, it's kind of shaped like a foot. You've got the ball of the foot here and the heel here. So when you put pressure, if you lean forward a little bit, right, you find the ball of your foot stops you.
Yeah.
Right? If you lean back a little bit, it's the heel of your foot that stops you. So you're putting energy, and it's absorbing that energy, right?
Right.
So we've got 200 pounds, let's talk about guardrail for a second. 200 pounds of outward or downward force, 150 pounds of outward or downward force for the mid-rail, okay? So when you have that force to get the product lighter than 75 pounds, which was the goal, you have to displace that force and energy. So that's where we come into the heel and what I call the heel of the foot and the ball of the foot.
Okay.
So you see the way this is designed, it kind of does look like a foot, but it displaces that energy and it doesn't move. And because it doesn't move, we were able to get it lighter. The first prototypes that our engineering department at Tie Down made were around 63, 64 pounds. But the genius that owns Tie Down, Chuck McCarvich, continued to work on it and test it and got it all the way down to 58 pounds. Wow. So Tie Down, what's so special about Tie Down is we're the only manufacturer of guardrail bases in the United States that have something that is under 75 pounds that's going to keep your guys in the field from hurting themselves when they lift it up. One person can carry this very comfortably, right? And move it over. It's easy for your people to set up. It also saves freight and it saves the installation time.
Yeah.
Did that competently answer your question?
That absolutely did, and it's great to see that Tie Down has solutions, lightweight solutions for you on the job site. If you are interested in this guardrail system by Tie Down, feel free to stop by Fasteners to learn more.